now in Washington, D.C., and as you see behind me, this is the iconic Washington Monument dedicated to George Washington, first President of the United States. And as you see behind me, this is the White House where the President of the United States lives. Was destroyed originally in the War of 1812, but was rebuilt and now it's white. So this is as close as they let you get. Still in DC, and this is the other side of the White House. They let you get a little bit closer. I think Trump is actually in town today, but there's still a lot of people there. And as you see, it's in great condition. This is the White House. Now at DC, we're in front of the Treasury Department. We have the statue of Albert, Secretary of the Treasury. I would think they'd have a picture of Alexander Hamilton because he's actually began the Treasury Department, but here we go. This is the iconic Treasury Department. The Trump International Hotel in Washington, D.C. Formerly it was a post office, but now I guess he's bought the building and renovating it into a hotel. This is the U.S. Capitol building. This is where Senate and the House of Representatives and Congress do their voting for legislation. And this is the head of the politics of the United States, our U.S. Capitol. And if you look at the balcony up there, you'll see some congressmen actually standing there taking a photo. We're at the World War II Memorial. Now the way the memorial is set up in two areas. This side is the Pacific Campaign, which was when America fought Japan, and the other side was the Atlantic Campaign, where America fought Germany. And these were the people on the sides. If you look, there's different states. These were the Allies. right behind me is the Washington Memorial, or excuse me, the Lincoln Memorial. Abraham Lincoln statue is inside. We're going to go up and take a look at that. And if you look behind me, you can see the Washington Memorial. And then you look behind that is the Capitol building, Capitol Hill. So it's a straight run along Independence Way. After a long walk and climbing a number of stairs, we finally arrived to the Lincoln Memorial. As you see, it's pretty impressive. Abraham Lincoln's famous for the emancipation of slaves in the South, which was not initially his what he wanted. He just wanted to be united with the North and the South in the United States. But this is a famous, iconic statue in Washington, D.C., the Lincoln Memorial. So we're leaving Washington, D.C. now, and we're heading over to Georgetown, and we're going to go to Georgetown Cupcakes. Please join us. Alright, we're in Georgetown, D.C. Georgetown Cupcakes. It's on TLC on TV, so we're going to buy some cupcakes and see how they are. This place is like really packed. We've arrived and you can see they're really busy in the background. They're wrapping up cupcakes and they display them really nicely. There's a big variety. This is the menu in which you get to pick the cupcakes that they have. And there's a lot of different flavors there. You got chocolate and strawberry and all sorts of different frostings, and they look pretty good. I mean, my kids have been dreaming of coming to this place, so we decided to make the trip, and here we are, and they've seen this on TLC, so now they want to try some of the cupcakes and see what they taste like.
Like the cupcake, say.
I like a cupcake.
Where's the cupcake? Show it to your friend.
There's a cupcake. Right there.
Open it, yeah? Open it, Joe. Wow. Cupcake. Flower, heart, coconut. Yummy cupcake.
I hope you like our video. You've seen our Washington, D.C. trips. We went from the Capitol to cupcakes. So if you like, please click like and please subscribe for future videos. So goodbye now from Washington, D.C.